Hi guys! Welcome back to channel. Today video about wireless gaming keyboard and mouse. Also discuss its different parts and also unboxing. Here you can see Rainbow Gaming Keyboard and Mouse. It's wireless gaming keyboard and mouse. 3800 mAh battery metal panel. Mechanical feel keyboard. Game style floating keycap 2-color injection keycaps. It's rechargeable keyboard. Have universal compatibility. Have 10M wireless connection. 3 lights mode. Waterproof keyboard and metal panel. With a variety of multimedia key combinations. Keyboard built-in 3000 mAh battery. Mechanical feel. Keyboard mouse size 125/65/40 mm 6 buttons with scroll wheel. Keyboard size, about 455/175/45 mm. Interface type, USB built-in battery capacity 3000 mAh. Light effects, rainbow LED backlit 7-color mute gaming mouse multimedia key combinations game style floating keycap. With a variety of multimedia key combinations fashionable and practical style design. Mouse specifications. Mouse size 125/65/40 mm 7-color breathing lights Electro-Oplan technology double flank adjustable 4-speed DPI. 800-1200-1600-2400, accurate positioning, touch feel good, the game is more Sensat Iona. Now unboxing. You can see its packaging now keyboard and here is look. You can see its different keyboard parts and mouse.